How to manifest anything. The quantum spirit method. In a world where possibilities are endless, the art of manifestation has become a topic of intrigue and fascination. The idea of turning your dreams into reality, of bringing your desires to life, is something that has captivated humans for centuries. Manifestation is not just wishful thinking. It's a science and an art that allows you to tap into the vast potential of the universe. In this video, we will explore the 10 quantum spirit method, a powerful and effective approach to manifesting anything you desire. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. Understanding manifestation. Before we dive into the quantum spirit method, it's crucial to grasp the fundamentals of manifestation. At its core, manifestation is the process of turning your thoughts and intentions into tangible outcomes. It's about aligning your energy with your desires and using the universal laws to bring them to fruition. The quantum connection. The quantum spirit method is deeply rooted in the principles of quantum physics. Quantum physics tells us that everything in the universe is made up of energy, and that our thoughts and intentions can influence this energy. By understanding and harnessing this connection, we can manifest our desires with precision and effectiveness. The 10 steps of the quantum spirit method. Step 1. Clarity of desire. In the initial phase of the quantum spirit method, achieving absolute clarity regarding your desired manifestation is paramount. The universe is remarkably receptive to specificity, so it is imperative to articulate your aspirations with meticulous detail. Describe your desires vividly and precisely, leaving no room for ambiguity. This clarity acts as a guiding light for the universe, allowing it to align its energies with your intentions. Remember, when you paint a crystal clear picture of what you seek, you enhance your manifestation's potency, ensuring that your dreams are more likely to materialize in a precise and fulfilling manner. Step 2. Setting intentions. After achieving clarity about your desires in the quantum spirit method, the next crucial step is to establish potent intentions. Think of intentions as the guiding roadmap that directs the universe towards delivering your desires. These intentions act as the driving force behind your manifestation journey, imbuing it with purpose and direction. When you set powerful and focused intentions, you are essentially programming the universe with your goals. It's akin to sending a clear signal to the cosmos, aligning its energies with your desires. In this way, intentions serve as the catalyst that propels your aspirations from the realm of thought into tangible reality. Step 3. Raise your vibration. In the quantum spirit method, the significance of your vibrational frequency cannot be overstated when it comes to manifestation. Your vibrational state serves as the bridge between your desires and their materialization. To elevate your vibration, engage in activities like meditation, which promotes inner harmony, gratitude, which cultivates positivity, and positive affirmations, which reinforce your belief in your desires. These practices help you attune to higher frequencies, aligning your energy with your intentions. As you raise your vibration, you become a magnet for the manifestations you seek, drawing them closer to your reality with each elevated thought and emotion. Step 4. Visualization. Visualization is a powerful instrument within the quantum spirit method. It involves crafting a mental image of your desires as if they have already been fully realized. Envelop yourself in the vivid scenario, engaging not only your imagination, but also your emotions. Feel the joy, satisfaction, and fulfillment associated with your envisioned success. This process serves to create a profound connection between your inner world and your external reality. By consistently visualizing your desired outcomes with genuine emotion, you stimulate the universe to conspire in making your dreams a tangible reality, reinforcing your belief in their manifestation. Step 5. Take inspired action. In the quantum spirit method, taking action is paramount because the universe responds to movement. It's essential to embark on actions that resonate with your desires and align with your intentions. These actions should be inspired, driven by genuine passion, and in perfect harmony with your overarching goals. When your actions are infused with purpose and enthusiasm, they become a magnetic force, drawing your aspirations closer to reality. By consistently taking steps that reflect your intentions, you not only demonstrate your commitment, but also create a powerful synergy between your efforts and the universe's willingness to manifest your desires. Let go of resistance. Within the quantum spirit method, it's crucial to shed any doubts, fears, or limiting beliefs that might obstruct your manifestations. These negative emotions act as roadblocks, hindering the flow of your desires into reality. Instead, place your unwavering trust in the manifestation process. Believe wholeheartedly that what you desire is already en route to you. Embrace a mindset of positivity and unwavering faith in your intentions. As you release doubts and fears, you create a clear path for your desires to manifest. Your trust in the process amplifies the universe's responsiveness, bringing your aspirations closer to fruition with each passing moment. Step 7. Gratitude. In the quantum spirit method, gratitude plays a pivotal role. It involves expressing sincere appreciation for both what you presently possess and what is yet to come. Gratitude acts as a potent amplifier of positive energy, infusing your intentions with vibrant vitality. By acknowledging and giving thanks for your current blessings, you create an atmosphere of positivity that resonates with the universe. This positive resonance accelerates the manifestation process, expediting the arrival of your desires. Gratitude is a magnetic force that attracts more of what you appreciate, making it an essential practice to enhance the effectiveness of your manifestation journey. Step 8. Patience. In the quantum spirit method, remember that manifestation is a process that unfolds in its own time. Practice patience and trust in the universe's timing. Impatience can introduce resistance, disrupting the alignment between your desires and reality. Trust that your manifestations will manifest when the time is right. Step 9. Detach from the outcome. In the quantum spirit method, it's paradoxically vital to detach from the desperate need for your desires to materialize. When you release the grip of obsession and surrender to the flow, manifestations become more likely. Obsessive attachment can emit an energy of lack and anxiety, repelling what you seek. By letting go and trusting the universe, you align with a state of abundance, where your desires naturally find their way to you. Detachment isn't about giving up. It's about having faith in the process and allowing the universe to work its magic in its own time, which often leads to swifter and more profound manifestations. Step 10. Receive and acknowledge. As the quantum spirit method begins to yield manifestations, it's crucial to remain open and receptive. Acknowledge and celebrate each small manifestation as it unfolds. By doing so, you not only express gratitude, but also affirm your belief in the manifestation process. This acknowledgement reinforces the connection between your intentions and reality. Celebrating each milestone, no matter how small, creates a positive feedback loop, inviting more abundance and manifestations into your life. An attitude of openness and celebration not only accelerates the process, but also ensures that your manifestations are met with joy and appreciation, further enhancing their impact on your life. The 10 Quantum Spirit Method is a comprehensive and effective approach to manifestation that combines the power of quantum physics with the art of intention setting. By following these steps with dedication and consistency, you can manifest anything your heart desires. So if you're interested in learning more amazing information, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified by our new videos. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to comment down your views on this. Thanks for watching till the end.